Streamlining success, embracing lean office for optimal efficiency. Lean office principles originate from the lean manufacturing philosophy, focusing on maximizing value by minimizing waste. This approach streamlines office operations, enhancing productivity and efficiency. It's an evolution from traditional manufacturing practices, adapted to suit the dynamic needs of office environments. The transition of lean management from manufacturing floors to office spaces signifies a revolutionary approach to work. By applying lean principles, businesses transform cluttered offices into models of efficiency, proving that these strategies are not confined to physical production but are universally applicable. At the core of lean office is the pursuit of eliminating waste and enhancing efficiency. This involves identifying non-value-added activities and streamlining processes to improve workflow. It's about doing more with less, ensuring that every task adds value to the organization. The 5S system plays a pivotal role in organizing the workplace. By sorting, setting in order, shining, standardizing, and sustaining, offices become more efficient and productive. This system not only improves the physical space but also fosters a disciplined work culture. Value stream mapping is a key tool in lean office, allowing teams to visualize their work processes. It helps identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies, paving the way for targeted improvements. This method ensures that every step in a process adds value, eliminating waste wherever possible. Lean office tools and techniques, such as Kaizen and Kanban, offer transformative power by encouraging continuous improvement and managing workflow efficiently. Kaizen fosters an environment where employees are motivated to identify and solve problems incrementally. Meanwhile, Kanban visualizes tasks, facilitating smoother process flows and reducing bottlenecks. Implementing lean office practices isn't without its hurdles. Common challenges include resistance from staff accustomed to traditional methods and the initial investment of time and resources required to retrain employees. However, with strategic planning and clear communication, these obstacles can be effectively overcome. A successful case study of lean office transformation in a service company illustrates the profound impact of adopting lean principles. By streamlining processes and eliminating waste, the company not only improved its operational efficiency but also enhanced customer satisfaction, setting a compelling example for others. Lean office promotes a culture of continuous improvement by engaging everyone in the organization in the pursuit of efficiency. This approach not only optimizes workflows but also fosters a dynamic environment where innovation thrives. It's about making small, impactful changes that collectively drive significant improvements. Leadership plays a crucial role in driving lean office initiatives. Leaders must not only endorse lean principles but also actively participate in their implementation. By setting an example and providing the necessary support, leaders can inspire their teams and ensure the sustainability of lean practices. Engaging employees in the lean office journey not only bolsters productivity but also fosters a sense of ownership and satisfaction among the workforce. Successful strategies involve clear communication, inclusive decision-making, and recognition of contributions, enhancing the collective commitment to continuous improvement. Measuring the success of lean office implementations requires a focus on key performance indicators, KPIs, that reflect both efficiency and effectiveness. Metrics such as process times, error rates, and employee engagement levels provide valuable insights, enabling targeted improvements and celebrating progress. The integration of technology in lean office practices offers unprecedented opportunities to streamline processes and enhance collaboration. Software tools facilitate real-time tracking, automate routine tasks, and support data-driven decision-making, propelling productivity and enabling a more agile office environment. Lean office principles also extend to environmental stewardship, emphasizing waste reduction and energy efficiency. By minimizing resource consumption and optimizing operations, organizations not only contribute to sustainability but also realize cost savings and improve their corporate image. Adapting lean office methodologies to remote work environments requires creativity and flexibility. Virtual Kanban boards, cloud-based collaboration tools, and regular video check-ins can maintain workflow visibility and team cohesion, ensuring that the principles of lean management thrive in a digital workspace. Building customer value through lean office principles involves streamlining processes to enhance service delivery and product quality. By focusing on value-added activities, organizations can eliminate inefficiencies, ensuring that customer needs are met swiftly and effectively, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Streamlining administrative processes with lean office techniques allows for a more agile and responsive administrative function. By identifying and eliminating non-value-adding activities, organizations can reduce lead times and operational costs, resulting in a leaner, more efficient administrative operation. The future of lean office is shaped by trends towards digitalization and remote work. As technology continues to evolve, lean office practices will increasingly incorporate digital tools to optimize processes and facilitate collaboration across distances, ensuring continued efficiency and adaptability. Lean office isn't just limited to manufacturing, it's making significant inroads across various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and education. By applying lean principles, these industries are experiencing transformative benefits, from reduced operational costs to improved customer satisfaction, showcasing the versatility and effectiveness of lean methodologies. Overcoming resistance to change is a critical step in lean office implementations. By engaging employees early and demonstrating the benefits of lean practices, organizations can foster a culture of continuous improvement. This involves clear communication, training, and involving employees in the change process to ensure buy-in and participation. Continuous learning and development are pivotal in lean office cultures, fostering an environment where employees are encouraged to improve their skills and workflows. This emphasis on growth not only enhances efficiency but also boosts morale, making change a positive and welcomed aspect of the office ecosystem. The lasting impact of lean office on organizational efficiency and employee satisfaction cannot be overstressed. By prioritizing waste reduction and continuous improvement, businesses not only streamline their operations but also cultivate a workplace where employees feel valued and engaged, driving sustainable success.